Good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Beau. It is Monday, September 4th, 2017. We've got a warm day across our region. Check out temperatures here around 230, 93 degrees around the Mount Vernon area, 88 in Paducah, 90 in Cape Girardeau, and 90 in Evansville. Very warm for this time of year, above normal temperatures. And if you thought it was muggy outside, you're right. We take a look at dew points, and dew points control how muggy, humid it feels on the outside when you're walking around. And you see these 70s in our area. These are Gulf of Mexico July dew points. 77 in Northeast Arkansas, very high dew point for this time of the year. 79 in Little Rock. A lot of moisture in the atmosphere, and as this cold front swings in from the north later tonight, we will have some thunderstorms. We take a look at dew points over northern Iowa. Notice the 50s, even some low 50s. There's that boundary right in here, and that will ride southward over the next 12 hours. We take a look at the satellite imagery this afternoon. You see this band of wispy clouds from Michigan back across northern Illinois, northern Missouri, and back into Kansas. A little line out in front here as well. And the cold front's right in here. You can see sunny skies across much of our region, some altocumulus, some cumulus clouds, those puffy clouds you see outside bubbling up in the afternoon heat. Quite a bit of energy developing right across this area here. And I suspect some of the storms later today probably going to be strong, maybe even severe, damaging winds and hail a concern across parts of northern and central Indiana back into central Illinois. And some of those storms may hold together enough to produce a few severe thunderstorm warnings in our local area. Most likely that would be northern parts of southeast Missouri, northern parts of southern Illinois, and then a lesser chance as you move further and further south through tonight. Let's take a look at the HRRR model, and we'll see what it predicts for the Futurecast radar. And we see here we start out with no precipitation on the Futurecast radar, but as we move through the afternoon, we'll stop here at about 5 o'clock, and you see this band of thunderstorms that begins to develop over northern Indiana. And then watch back here as we move into the evening hours, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and we see a band of thunderstorms from western Missouri, central Missouri into the St. Louis area, and then northeastward along that cold front. The line will sag southward through the overnight hours. We'll move ahead here, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and 11 o'clock. You see the thunderstorms have made it pretty far south towards Marion and Carbondale. Now, keep in mind this is a model, so it may not be exact, but you get the general idea that a band of thunderstorms, a squall line, will pass through our area later tonight. Can't promise you that everyone will receive rain, much needed rain, but some of you might pick up a quick half an inch to an inch of rain. Many locations will pick up a quarter of an inch to about 4/10 of an inch of rain. We keep moving through the overnight hours, and I'll stop here at 2 a.m. and you can see most of the showers and thunderstorms have now pushed through southern Illinois and in the Penny Rowell area, western Kentucky, perhaps extending back here towards Poplar Bluff. We'll have to see if this fills in tonight. Some of the models are showing dry conditions in this area here as the line breaks up as it moves further southward. We'll have to see if that happens. Either way, as we move towards the wee morning hours of Tuesday, a band of showers and thunderstorms moving through the area, lightning being the main concern late tonight, and like I mentioned earlier, maybe some stronger storms earlier in the night across northern parts of southeast Missouri and southern Illinois. We'll have to see how far south those stronger storms last. As we move into tomorrow morning, about sunrise, you see here at 6 a.m., the front has made it through most of the area, but we could still have a few showers and thunderstorms dotting radar, especially near the Missouri Boot Hill into the Kentucky-Tennessee border counties. And as we move through the day, that should all shift further and further southward, leaving us with partly cloudy skies on Tuesday. It will be cooler. Gone will be the 90s. You can expect highs on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, mainly in the 70s. Overnight lows may dip into the upper 40s on some of the nights this week as a much cooler and drier air mass settles into the area. We'll have to keep an eye on Hurricane Irma as it moves towards Cuba and Florida. We'll just have to see where it goes. If it moves into the southeast United States, some of the models bring it even into the Ohio Valley. That's a long shot this far out, but it is something I'm keeping an eye on. Have a good evening.